We always go shopping on Saturday.
She sometimes washes the windows. They never walk to school. He's a pilot. He flies big planes.
We go to school in our school bus.
This is Miss Parker. She teaches English.
Does a firefighter help animals?
No, he doesn't. He fights fires. Does she study every day?
Yes, she does. She studies in the afternoon.
I don't go to school on Saturday and Sunday. I go to the park.
She doesn't work in a school. She works in a hospital.
They like their new toys.
I ate pizza yesterday. I didn't eat a burger.
Did they drink orange juice last night?
No, they didn't. They drank milk.
He is riding his new bike.
Wow! It is diving.
We are eating chips and burgers. Yum!
We are watching a film this afternoon.